Namaste students, welcome to Pathshala Pandit. I am Ayush Bhattacharya. Today we will see what is electric current. Alright, let's write the topic. Electric current. Okay, so see, current. I told you what is electricity. Alright, now let's see what is current. Suppose you take a wire, okay, or let's take two wires actually. Alright, let's take two wires, and these are small electrons. Okay, they have to go from this point to this point. Here also the same amount of electrons are present. Okay, now what is happening is, here the electrons are going at this speed like this. Okay, like this they went from this point to this point. In this wire, electrons are going like this. Okay, like this they went in such a speed. So when the amount of electrons crossing a point at a unit time is more, there the current is more. Means, suppose in 1 second, take at this point, okay, at this point in 1 second means 5 electrons, okay, these 5 electrons went, they passed from this point to this point, 5 electrons, okay. At the same point in this wire, actually they are the same wires, but I am showing in two different cases. In 1 second these 5 they went, but behind also there are more electrons, okay, they also passed, means here suppose 20 electrons passed in 1 second. So we will say that current, the electric current here is more than this wire. Okay, this is known as electric current. More number of charges passed in 1 second is more electricity in that wire, more electric current in that wire. So let's let's define it properly in one sentence. So the definition says, charge passing through the conductor in unit time. Okay, means 1 ampere is the current flown when 1 coulomb of charge, means passes, 1 coulomb of charge passes in 1 second only. If 1 second, in 1 second 1 coulomb charge passes, then it is known as 1 ampere. Let me show it, ampere, okay, which is denoted as A, capital A, amperes. He was a scientist actually, so ampere, 1 ampere current. Now what is 1 coulomb actually? 1 coulomb means actually see, 1 electron is there, 1 electron has a charge of 1 into has a charge of 1.6, I guess, yes, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so how many electrons are there? How many electrons, number of electrons in 1 coulomb? It is 1 coulomb divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, correct? These many number of electrons are there in 1 coulomb. So let's calculate. It is equals to 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Okay, 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons are flowing in a wire. Okay, if 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons flow in 1 second itself in a wire, then we will say that 1 ampere charge is flowing. If 2 ampere charge is flowing, then how much? Means twice the number of these many electrons will flow in 1 second only. Or else we can say, means these many electrons are flowing, but in 0.5 seconds. In half a second these many electrons are flowing. So I am just manipulating this thing. Remember this. Yes, the formula, I forgot to write the formula. I will write the formula here. The formula is I. Remember, current means I. Current means I is equals to charge means Q divided by time. Time is T, you know that. This is the formula for current. I is equals to charge by time. Alright. So now let's see a question. A current of 0.4 amperes flows through a conductor for 5 minutes. How much charge would have passed through the conductor? Let's see the answer. Now what we will to do first? Write the given part. Given. What is the given part? It is yes, I is equals to 0.4 amperes. Current is 0.4 amperes. Time is, what is time? It is 5 minutes. 5 minutes, first write it, 5 minutes is equals to 300 seconds. Remember, convert everything to SI units. 300 seconds. What we will have to find is the charge, I guess, isn't it? Yes, charge. So solution, I is equals to Q by T. I wrote it in the first means before only. I is equals to Q by T. Therefore Q is equals to IT. Correct? Q is equals to IT is equals to 0.4 multiplied by time, which is 300. Okay, 0.4 into 300 is equals to 12 or 120. Yes, 120. 120 coulomb. Answer 120 coulomb. 120 coulomb charge has passed. Yes, passed. Alright, means in 300 seconds, if we supply a current of 0.4 ampere, then this much charge will pass. Okay, so this is the explanation for electric current. Next we will see resistance. Okay, it is a very important topic. Resistance we will see in the next video. If you feel this video is helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel, because the more you share, more you subscribe, and also more you like, it will more likely reach to other students who will need this kind of videos. Okay, so for today, thank you very much.